Alright guys, we're going to take a quick look at the Boldclash B03 camera and canopy set. It's a pretty damn good little camera. Comes already assembled, ready to go. You can put this on the Blade Inductrix. You can put this on the B03, the B03 Pro. You can put it on quite a few different little whoops. Comes with everything built in. There's your antenna. That little plug right there is only a 2-prong connector, and the connector on the B03 is a 3-prong connector. So it's really easy. You just plug it in on the first two towards the front, with the red one facing the front. Comes with the screws for the Inductrix and the bumpers. It has vibration guards that come with it. It comes with the screws for the B03 or B06, should you say. And like I said before, it comes with the vibration dampeners. It also comes with a little couple extra antennas, just in case they break. You can solder a new antenna on real easy. Comes with 2 of them. It also comes with a little adapter that goes from the 2-prong connector to the, I always forget which name that is on that one, but it goes to the 2-prong, and it goes to the bigger flat looking one. But besides that, I mean, this is a good little camera. It only weighs like 4 grams or something like that max. On the B03, you're going to want to put it in load mode by holding the flip button down on the right side until you hear it beep and the lights start flashing, and that makes it to where you can lift the camera a lot easier. But anyway, this is a quick look at it. It's got a little channel selector on top, but it'll fit on the altitude mode one or the manual B03 Pro, and it's really great. You guys go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Peace out.